Let me tell you about the Lumière Light Wall from Joy Displays.
It's the perfect combination of innovative silicone edge graphics and RPL fabric pop-ups, offering a quick assembly and a bold, eye-catching visual. This double-sided light wall comes with 2 pop-up frames, which can combine to form a variety of different shapes and configurations, whatever you need for your business.
What really sets this display apart is you can combine 2 frames together so there's no separation in your graphics. It's completely seamless. Using bright LED graphics and sharp wrinkle-free fabric, this light wall can really project your brand, even in a big room. You can also print graphics on the sides. The Lumière is big, but also easily mobile. You can shrink it down in size by collapsing the frame. A carry bag is also included for each piece of the display, so getting around with this thing is super simple.
If you need some help, this is how you do it. Starting with the frame. First, remove one of the pop-up frames from the bag. We are going to expand it. Next, to secure the frame in place, make sure to snap it closed. There should be 6 clips per frame. Excellent. Next, go ahead and expand all of the channel bars in the bag. Around the frame, you'll see a few metal pegs. Go ahead and attach the channel bars here, like so. Notice, one frame side will lack vertical channel bars. This is to prevent shadows in the graphic when joined. Also, don't forget to attach the end caps to the channel bars. Perfect. Now we want to carefully flip the frame. If it's too heavy for you, you can ask someone to help you. Repeat the steps, attaching the channel bars on the other side. You're all set with one frame. Now repeat the same steps and build the second frame. Next step is joining the 2 frames. Loop one of the Velcro straps on the front and back of each frame. Kind of like this. Moving on to the lights. Each ladder light comes clipped together. To expand it, you need to unclip each section with a little force. Be careful. Notice each ladder has an up and down sticker. This is how they will be set up, like so. Now repeat this process across the whole frame. Excellent. Don't forget to connect the wires as you go. Great job! Onto the graphics. Make sure to lay out the graphic right side up. We're going to start inserting each corner. Last one. Excellent. Next, we move on to the middle section on each side. Don't forget to tuck in the silicone with the graphic. Like so. Once those are done, you can connect and smooth out the rest. Looks great. Now, for the end cap graphics. Start on one end, then the other. finally connecting it together. Do the same for the second end cap graphic. Now, you're going to need 2 more people for this. We're going to lift it up. Nice. Before moving on, let's attach the transformers like so. Don't forget to connect the wires. Looking super bright. You're all set. With some help, you can gently flip the frame over and attach the second graphic. Beautiful.